All right, so if you forgot your login details or just want to change them for safety, yeah, resetting your password on Binance is pretty straightforward. Let's go step by step. First, open Binance and go to the login page. Now, click on Forgot Password. This will start the recovery process. Next, enter the email or phone number linked to your account. You'll receive a verification code on your email or SMS. Just enter that code to continue. Now create a new password. Make sure it's strong and not something you've used before. Once you confirm, your password will be updated immediately. Now just log in again using your new password, and that's it. You've reset your Binance password. Just make sure you store it safely and yeah, keep your account security strong.